Hello tiny wonders, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring some amazing and surprising fact about animals that will blow your mind. Stay tuned for more incredible discoveries about Animal Kingdom. Let's get started. Which of these animals is known for changing its color? You're right, chameleon. They mostly change their color to regulate their temperature or to sign their intentions to other chameleons. Let's go to the next question. Which of these animals can sleep standing up? Yes, you're right. Elephants. Elephants in the wild often sleep standing up for few key reasons. It allows them to remain alert to the potential dangers, conserve energy, and quickly escape if needed. Now let me know, which animal is known for carrying its home on its back? Correct. Snails are well known for carrying their homes on their back, providing protection and shelter as well. Now let's move to the easiest one. Which insect is known for making a loud creeping sound at the night? You're right, crickets. Cricket screams primarily to attract female mates. Now let me know, what animal is known for its incredible memory? You're right, elephants. Elephants are renowned for their incredible memory, characterize their aids in the survival and social interaction, while camels are known for their endurance and adaptability to harsh environments. Let's move to the next question. What animal can live both in water and on land? I think everyone knows this answer. Right, frogs. Frogs can live both in water and on land because they are amphibians, possessing adaptation like moist skin for breathing underwater and lungs for breathing air on land. Let's go to the next question. Which of these animals hibernate? You're right, hedgehogs. Who can go the longest without water? Do you know the answer? Right. Kangaroo rats primarily eat seeds, and during the metabolism of these seeds, water is produced as byproduct, which they use to stay hydrated. Let's move to the next question. Who spent the most time in water? Yes, hippopotamus. Hippos have thick skin, but it also very sensitive and prone to sunburn and drying out. Staying in the water helps keep their skin hydrated and protected. Which one can flap its wing the fastest? Right, bees. Who doesn't have blood? You're right, jellyfish. If you want to know why, write why in the comment box. Which is the largest land carnivore? Correct. The polar bear is both the largest bear and the largest land carnivore in the world. Now let me know, which one has black skin? Again, polar bears. Polar bears have black skin, which help them absorb more sunlight and stay warm in cold environment. Now tell me, who is the smallest mammal? Yes, Bat. A kitty hog-nosed bat is widely considered the smallest mammal on the earth. Now tell me, who is the largest mammal in the world? Right, blue whale. The blue whale is indeed the largest mammal on the earth. Now let's go to the different question. Who can sleep for 3 years? Yes, snails can sleep for up to 3 years, a survival mechanism called hibernation. Who has the sharpest claws? Yes, you're right, eagles. Who is the fastest swimmer? Sailfish. Now tell me, who can jump the highest? You're right, flea. Now let me know who can recognize itself in a mirror. Absolutely right, dolphins. Thanks for watching our videos.